I'm hoping you all will think about what you're passionate about. Develop your skills and try to make a career choice doing something you love. If you work on something you love, it doesn't seem like work at all. I'm sure you will work towards your future and make it a great one. In this video, I'm going to share a few facts about famous people who pursued their career from scratch, who were once like you and me but determined enough to have a great life ahead. Are you eager to know who these people are?
App developer Shravan Kumaran. He is the youngest app developer in the world at just 15 years old. He started his journey with his brother in 2012. He is running a company that makes an app for both Android and iOS applications. Hidden facts. A common assumption is that mobile applications are used less compared to websites. However, people actually spend 87% of their time on mobile apps, making mobile app development a must for businesses. So, isn't this a good excuse to pursue your passion into a career? Veer Sanghvi, Rahul Verma, Mayur Sharma, Rocky Singh are celebrated food critics in India. Varun Inamdar is one of the top 10 celebrity chefs in India and the Prince of Chocolate. But he was not always a chef. He started his journey as a dishwasher in a small restaurant in Bandra. It was his passion of making food and experimenting which motivated him to work hard and become a famous chef. Vikram Gaikwad. He is one of the best makeup artists in Bollywood. He has won 2 national awards so far in his career. Here are some of the characters he designed through his makeup. He has changed Ranbir Kapoor as Sanjay Dutt in Sanju, Subodh Bhave as Bal Gandharva in Marathi film titled Bar Gandhalva, Paresh Rawal as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in Sardar, Kangana Ranaut as Tanu in Tanu Weds Manu Returns, and many more. Amol Sule is a famous and busiest storyboard artist this time in Bollywood. He has worked on films like Agnipath, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Dangal, Padmavat, and many ad films. He hails from a very humble family of Maharashtra. He has created his own path in this industry. Sabas Joseph, a torchbearer for the event industry. Sabas Joseph, founder of Wizcraft, is among the most influential figures in Indian events and entertainment. The man behind big events like IFA, Michael Jackson Live in Concert, Commonwealth Games in India's 50 years of independence celebration, and Global Citizen Festival. It was started with Rs 7,500 in collaboration with 2 of his friends, which is now India's top mega event management company. Manasi Pradhan is an author and poet who received the Rani Lakshmi Bai Stree Shakti Puraskar in 2013 for her work in fighting for women's rights. Born to a poor family in the state of Odisha, she travelled 15 km daily to the school in the entire region. She was the first woman from her village to earn a law degree. She has won many accolades, including the Outstanding Women Award in 2011 from the United Nations, UN Women and National Commission for Women. She is the founder of Nirbhaya Vahini and OIS Women and heads the Honor for Women National Campaign, a nationwide movement to end violence against women in India.
I feel very lucky to have found my dream job, that's teaching children. Now it's your turn to think about what you love doing. And if you want to make it into your career, dream careers are like putting your heart into your work. I hope you will also be able to find your dream jobs, and Pele Akshar will always support you on this journey. Before the video ends, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So here I am bidding you goodbye. See you in next week with a new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.